document Friday on a court case of mine, and I was coming to see if I can make sure to put it on the record and whatnot. I filed a document with my court case, and the systems were down or something like that for to be able to put things on the record. And I was just coming to make sure that got put on the record.
We're just inspecting the courthouse. Make sure everybody's...
Norma helped me out before the end of the day. Yeah, if I can get a few things like... if I can also get like a printout of the record too. For... Okay, there you go.
Do you have a case number?
Yes. That would be 2020.
You want to go ahead and write it right here?
Yep.
So what's the process, miss? Like if somebody commits fraud and you catch them, what happens to them?
I wouldn't be able to answer.
No?
I'm going to go ahead and see if I can help you real quick, okay?
Okay, no, I just had the people in the know. Yeah, let's face it.
That's your case number?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's your last name?
That's my last name.
Okay.
There you go.
I'll be right back, okay?
This is an application, a certificate of adoption. Request for process. Is this a payment? Everybody's just taking precautions. Yeah, we're just here just to do business, I guess. Let's face it, guys. You know, we don't really trust the courts right now. They just seem to be doing everybody wrong. I'm sure they're not all that bad. But there needs to be discipline amongst themselves, really. Responsibilities, things like that. Oh, great. See, when two or more persons come together to conspire against anybody's rights, and they do this under the color of law, then it is a conspiracy to deprive you of your rights under the color of law.
Well, for one, make sure that the last document that I filed was recorded.
I'm going to see if I can come on here. I'm going to actually let you do the case, okay?
Yeah, sure. If I get a printout, could you please?
It's going to be $1 a page. And 20 copies your name.
Huh. I don't know if it's copyright. I mean, if it's certified, right?
If it's certified, it'll be an additional $1. It all depends on how many pages it is, but yeah, it's $1 a page.
Yeah, you're actually allowed to just like have her print it, and then just like you can just inspect it, and then just give it back to her. That's what the law says. You don't have to.
Yeah, okay.
So what does this all mean, miss? The stickers and all that. Does it make no sense?
I need everything. Well, I don't need a copy of that. What I need is like a copy of the record. Make sure everything that's been going on the record is on the record.
Case file.
This page can't be displayed.
Uh-huh.
Usually we put it up here. So let me call my supervisor, see what she wants me to do, okay?
Okay, well, let me ask you something real quick. on your screen down at the bottom left, or on your right hand corner down here, do you see the icon where it shows the little computer screen? Does it have the meter on there? Does it show like an X, or does it show like a green check maybe down there? It's for the internet.
They don't show anything.
No?
No.
Okay.
Hold on a second, okay?
Uh-huh.
Usually, you're allowed to bring the case up here.
Sure.
Please see.
Sure.
You're actually allowed a certified copy by law. Is it? What does this do here? This computer?
Just to show the case, the record. It's filed in the record. Take a picture of this from the website. There's only one chair. Is he supposed to sit in my lap?
Well, you know what? If you mind waiting outside, sir?
This is a public place.
Okay, well, if y'all could just stay 6 feet apart, though, okay? Because that's the policy we have here.
Yeah, that's fine.
Policies on your law.
Okay?
Uh-huh.
Thank you.
Plus, I'm a state national. Public servants
Oh,
telling
man,
us
can I
what
have my
to
ID
do.
back, man? You still need it? I don't know why you still need it, though. Thank you. Appreciate you. You normal off today?
Yes, sir.
She needs it, I'm sure.
I just have no confidence in this office. I really don't. There's twice that I've caught these clerks just changing file stamps in front of me. And then on video, them switching another timestamp. How can I schedule an appointment with Mary? But what happens to the original document? They can't see that?
No, I got a copy of it, too. Either way. You're telling me the website's down all of a sudden, but it's working. Looks like it's a fake website. Stupid. There's the elevator, someone's coming up.
No. Miss, what do those things of the kids mean? Where did y'all get them? What happened? They can't find them. They can't find the documents. Oh. Yeah. And it's terrible, but you know, you like to take a word of a clerk, and when they say come back tomorrow, you come back. But this is exactly why I tell you guys to get a certified copy immediately after you file something. This prevents fraud. This prevents alterations and things like that. I mean, but what we need is more people just coming and just like checking up on the people, really make sure everybody's all right with each other, everybody's cool, you know, nobody's doing nobody wrong. But it's bad out here, guys. So we like to take their word that they're actually doing their job, but it's not cool at all. So
ma'am, how much longer till your supervisor gets here?
Their supervisor is the district clerk, Mary Angie. I just can't stop showing this sign. It's so simple. See, this is the kind of thing that you guys don't want happening. It's not being able to open records at the records department. It doesn't look very good. Go outside in the hall. It's like empty. And you know, even if like they didn't have that, it wasn't coming up, you can still see who filed it. You can still see who filed it. Hey miss, like, could you explain to me what proper identification I would need to file a court document? Could you answer me the question, like, what is it, like, in general, that somebody would need just to file a simple document? Yeah, like, what type of identification does someone have to bring? Yeah, no, I'm just asking you because there's like people out there that they don't know these things, and I mean I do, but you know, I just wanted to get some responses from y'all. See, huh? You don't know how to do y'all's job? You don't know how to do your own job? I mean, of course, like, if I wanted to file something, I mean, y'all know me. I mean, if you want me to show an ID, I can show you that. Okay, but what I'm trying to say is that it's just sad, you know, that when we ask y'all, our public servants, these questions, y'all always say that we're not an attorney. Nobody called you one, and we know y'all are not. And trust me, you wouldn't even want to be one to begin with. You don't have to be. Most people want to ask these questions, and they're just simple questions, really. No, like what kind of identification would they need to file a document? Like easy questions. Thank you, I appreciate that. You know, simple questions like that. You know, they don't know what to do. So, but like a very important question. If you don't mind, this is one more question. Okay, I won't take up your time. But what can someone do as soon as they notice that fraud has been done?
If you're going to choose to represent yourself, you have two options. Either you hire an attorney or you represent yourself. If you're going to hire an attorney, the attorney will take care of everything for you. If you're going to represent yourself, then we have a law library up on the 5th floor where you can do your research. And then once you do your research and you're ready to file, we have the district clerk's office where you can file your documents.
Okay, I guess I should have clarified it a little bit more better. Somebody's asking, no, where do you file? Like, who do you tell in y'all's zone, like y'all supervisor? Like, you're not trying to go to bring someone into court and sue them. You're just trying to tell their boss. Like, who would you tell if we spotted fraud? Yeah, like if, say, like, not you in general, but like someone else who was just like trying to do me wrong or someone else wrong, and we spotted that, what would be the next step to do? No, we're just trying to like
this sign right here says, if anybody knows you does something like that in this department, basically, if someone does this, it files a fraudulent document of any kind or an instrument, who would be the person that need to be contacted and notified? Would it be like, do you file a police report, or last time I hired an attorney,
Do you know what the legal definition of the word? Do you know what the legal definition of the word attorney is? Do you know what attorney even means? I'm telling you.
How was your weekend?
He is an actor. An actor.
Kind of like Rocky with his basketball.
An actor. To a turn.
Not too bad.
He is an actor to a turn. A turn means to steal from one and turn over to another. What was your name anyways? Nice to meet you. What are those children up there? Who gave those to y'all? It's because they're asking right now, that's why. People are asking, like, you know, as I'm live right now, people want to know, like, what today's Child Abuse Month?
April.
So they just do that in recognition. You decorate your computer however you like, and you display them out in the windows, or if you have a website, you have Facebook or whatnot.
Thank you. They said thank you. They want to know if does Mary practice law, or is she a bar member? Somebody said that Mary. They're asking about Mary. They want to know if Mary is a bar member, or does she practice law? I don't know. Silly question.
You're asking me?
Yeah. No, somebody is. I'm just reading out what they put. We're live.
What do you mean?
We're Facebook Live. So people are just asking questions.
No, I'm not an attorney.
No.
So I wouldn't be able to answer your legal questions. I'm sorry. Would you have a staff attorney across the hall?
I'd like to have a great conversation with him.
They're not going to represent you, but they oversee the documents.
I wouldn't want to have them represent me. Heck no.
I'm gonna call her back, sir, because it came in the same thing. And I already restarted.
Yeah.
Hold on a second, okay?
So right now we're not even sure if the document's even filed, or if they even want to show us any of the evidence, because I already did this before. And they were literally trying to change certified copies right in front of me, adding timestamps and all kinds of things. So and the people really aren't trying to make a big deal of it. They just don't want to be done wrong, you know? CPS is coming to court testifying under nothing, no penalties whatsoever, and they're allowing them to do this, right? And that's not what the law really says. But I mean, everybody's associated with each other, everybody talks to each other. I don't know, it just, when someone feels the need to defend themselves, and that's the thing too, right? Because these clerks, not these ones right here, but like the clerk herself, the district clerk, see, she did take an oath of office, right, to uphold and preserve and protect and defend the Constitution of the United States of America. But Miss, have you heard anything about like the kids that are being just taken away without no evidence? Caseworkers coming, following with no like actual evidence? I mean, the word itself, you know, is very strong. And I don't see how anyone could swear on a document like that, named affidavit, if they're not even a first-hand witness. This is just following the simple rules of the court. It could almost serve as if there was no record. I would dismiss this with extreme prejudice right now.
Did you get it going? The what?
Hi. How's everybody doing? See, we're not the ones in trouble. They can't find these documents. We're upset, but mainly just disappointed, really. We put the trust in them, and I'm actually going to end this video because this is very disappointing. Alright guys, y'all be safe.